Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all guys are doing well. In this video we are going to talk about Lexus NX AWD 2023. We will tell you about the interior, exterior, performance, top speed. Is it worth to buy Lexus NX AWD 2023? Before going to detail, if you are new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe button, and also don't forget to press bell icon for latest updates. Let's jump into the video without wasting your time. Basic information. Lexus NX AWD 2023 is an SUV. It comes with 2.5 liters i4 engine. The engine can produce the power of 203 horsepower at 6,600 RPM. Lexus NX AWD comes with all-wheel drivetrain, which is very sensational. The engine is paired with 8-speed automatic transmission. The SUV comes with gasoline fuel. Available in following colors. It will be available in Eminent White Pearl, Atomic Silver, Cloudburst Gray, Caviar, Redline, Cadmium Orange, Nori Green Pearl, Grecian Water. Performance. Maximum speed, 1,242 miles per hour. Acceleration, 0 to 60 in 8.2 seconds. Mileage in city, 25 miles per gallon. Mileage on highway, 32 miles per gallon. Fuel capacity, 14.5 gallons. Here we are discussing the exterior, interior and safety features of Lexus RX 450 hours 2023. Exterior features. It has fog lights, back camera, sun/moon roof, alloy wheels, body-colored bumpers, front chrome grille, spoiler, fog lights, roof antenna, rear parking aid. Interior features. Vehicle anti-theft system, trip computer, heated steering wheel, heating seats, climate control, tachometer, immobilizer, glove box, air conditioner, power door locks. Safety features. Keyless start, vanity mirror, electronic stability control, child safety lock, lane departure warning, ABS, driver airbags, passenger airbag, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitor, rear cross traffic braking, and many more. Expected price. Price in United States. Lexus NX AWD 2023 price is $47,400 in United States of America. Price in Finland. Lexus NX AWD 2023 price is Euro 47,400 in Finland. On this channel you can find the best and most updated price of Lexus NX AWD 2023 with detailed specifications and features. Thank you so much for watching the complete video.